Alright, moving on to 8. These things are starting to get a lot more complicated, but do f plus g first, which we've actually already done. And then you'll evaluate at 8. Well, f plus g is 3x minus 3. And you gotta take the 8 and put it in for x. So you're gonna have negative 6 times 3 times 8 minus 3. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract the 3 gives you 21. And so you got negative 6 times 21, which I don't have memorized, but it gives you negative 126. 9. So this one's tricky. It's got the multiplier in with the function. So we got quite a bit of work to do with this one, because we got to take f of x, which is 2x minus 1, and we have to times it by negative 2. And then combine it with 3 times what g of x is equal to, which is x minus 2. And then after that, it's all done, then you'll multiply by the 8 out in front. So distributing this through, you're going to get negative 4x plus 2. Distribute the 3 through, it's going to give you 3x minus 6. Combine like terms inside, negative 4x, 3x. It's going to give you negative x. Combine 2 and negative 6 to get negative 4. Distribute the 8 now. We can finally multiply by 8. We got negative 8x minus 32. The end. Moving on to 10. Again, you have to do some work inside here and make sure we evaluate at negative 1. So negative 2 is just going to be sitting outside for a little while. We got to do 3 times h, which is 5 minus x. That's not right. Anyway, add 4 times f, which is 2x minus 1. And now I need to take my 1 and put it in for my x's to make sure I evaluate. And we got 3 times 5 minus negative 1 plus 4 times 2 times negative 1 minus 1. A lot of parentheses, huh? Negative 2. Well, work inside out here. You got 5 minus negative 1. That is 6. And so I got to do 3 times 6 plus 4 times, well, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Subtract 1 gives you negative 3 inside there. And now we need to do some combining here. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And then the negative 2 is still out front. 18 plus negative 12 is positive 6. So we got 2 times 6, which is going to be negative 12. So yeah, a lot of work, but you get a nice, lovely number at the end, negative 12.